you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Just stay till the morning.
Finally, I got dressed. It's like midday right now. So finally, I took a shower. I got dressed. I haven't moisturized yet, but I did put some toner on my face to keep that going. And I need to put my belly oil on my tummy. But first, I'm going to just clean up everything that I used for breakfast. Like the kitchen is like kind of, you know, it wants to be put together. Plus there's some plates right here drying that I need to like put away. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll do my belly oil, and then I will try to get rid of all the clothes in the couch sitting like down there and stuff. So let me just do this quickly in maybe like 10 minutes, and then we get moving because I have work to do, and then I have a meeting at like 5 p.m. today. So let's get cracking.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he
Alright, so the kitchen is tidied up, and I am going to like just rub some belly oil on my belly, moisturize the bump a bit there, and then we tackle some clothes in the couch. And guys, this is the butter that I use right now. It is super bright, but it's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Tummy butter for stretch marks. The fan is probably in the mic. Yeah, so this is what I have been using, and then sometimes I alternate it with this also from Palmer's. Let me turn down this brightness a bit. Yeah, so I also use this sometimes. It's an oil also for stretch marks. So that's a combination of what I have been using. Very thick consistency also. And that is really all that we're doing to moisturize today. It is super hot in Japan, and in Japan we do not have central heating here, you guys. Can you imagine? So the AC, the air condition, is only in the living room, and it only stretches as far as to, you know, the genkang, like the area that is right there in the middle. But for example, this room, our master bedroom, it's hot as hell, and the fans that are in here, it's of no use because it's just so hot. And to make it worse, for a country that is developed, I feel as if, oh my god, why are you guys so bright? Please go back to regular. Yeah. And for a country that is a developed country, you would think that they would have their ventilation and all that stuff under control, but they really don't, because otherwise vents would be made into the apartments and people would not have to be either burning hot or freezing cold when it's winter time. But it's not my country, so let me just get these clothes sorted out so I can get to work.
Oh, I knew you would go back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me. Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want?
like a discussion inside here between me and Adam about moving our bed. The room is super duper hot because as you can see, this is the living room. That is the air con, and there's this wall, and then you have to walk into this room. So the air con flows in the house. Not as good as it flows in here, but the house feels cool. But in here and the offices, they burn. So we are thinking about for the summer, we move the bed to here and move this situation in there for the summer because otherwise we're going to burn. And at this stage, I cannot be hot. Like I'm miserable if I'm hot. Oh my goodness, you guys! I am finally sitting down in my office chair to kind of get some work started on my PC. I need to edit a video today and upload it tonight. And the only thing I have is raw files, raw footage, so I kind of need to get on that. It is, let me see the time. It is 10 minutes past 1 p.m. right now, so definitely the day is running so far ahead of me at this point. So I need to start editing the video so I can have it up in the afternoon. So that is what I'll be doing right now. But thankfully I have finished everything that I wanted to do before I actually started working. So this is typically what a day in my life is. It's a mixture of getting housework done plus like YouTube work and stuff, because really and truly when I am actually going in to school, when it's not summer break, it is very hard for me to keep on top of like the house and on top of my YouTube work and all of that stuff. But since it's the summer break, I have a little bit more time to like get stuff done. So that is what I'm doing. I hope. Oh, I thought my mic wasn't plugged in. That would be a thing. So I'm going to zone into getting my work done, and then of course I'll catch up with you guys when I'm coming back on camera.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side
I swear when you're in the middle of like filming a video, you have no idea what you're saying, especially if you're going fast, and then when you're editing the footage you realize just how fast you are going and how just dumb things come out your mouth. Like I just said fertilization and ovulation, which obviously I meant ovulation, but I don't know. I totally lost track of that. I don't know. That is what happens when you get caught up.
To say that you can take me high, feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
Alright guys, so I think I spent about 1.5 hours editing the footage that I was telling you about. I have finished editing it for the most part. I just need to like go over it one more time to just add in like clips or text or whatever it is, and then it will be finished. But now I am getting super hungry, so I'm going to grab myself something to eat. And it's just basically leftovers from dinner to last night, which is mashed potatoes and some steamed cabbage. So that is what I'm going to just heat up a bit of, come back, eat, maybe watch a YouTube video, something like that while I eat, take a little lunch break, and then I get back to doing some work. Okay, so we have lunch. This is what I am eating, you guys. Can you see? Some mashed potatoes and some steamed cabbage that Adam made last night for dinner. So I'm just going to sit right here, put on some YouTube, and then I'm going to watch that. May I eat lunch and I try edit the video I will film yesterday. And it took me like maybe 1 hour to go through all that footage and edit, but it take that much time just because at home I edit. I guess not because it runs slow or anything, I just get the time we need. Because man, if this is how efficient editing can be, I am going to produce so many videos because I'm not problem. Video clean up school, no lagging, nothing like that. Just a wap wap wap. Wow. This feels strange. You guys, I decided that we're going to go on the road. So I don't have you guys like just with me in the house all day. We're going to head to Daiso to pick up a few stuff that I actually needed to pick up since I'm here today. Just grabbing a few things like my phone and my purse. And we're going to run into Daiso real quick, grab some stuff and then come back. Made it home before the rain, you guys, but I'm going to hop on a quick work call because I have a work call at 5 o'clock and it's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm going to jump on the Zoom meeting now and then I'll give you guys a haul of what I got in Daiso right after the meeting. And my battery is blinking red, which means I gotta change that too, so I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, you guys, so it is like 7:30 p.m. right now. I'm surprised that I am still not relaxed, but I did promise you a haul. I just cleaned up my office because I finished editing the video and it's exporting now. Then I'm going to upload it to YouTube and get all of that sorted out. But let me run through the haul that I got in Daiso really quickly, which is really not a lot of stuff and it's just one type of stuff, so it's pretty boring, but I want to show you nonetheless. So let's dive into the bag. Let me set you up right here. It is super duper bright. Alright, it looks a little better. So basically all I got were these storage containers from Daiso, just regular plastic containers. I bought 3 of them because I want to do a little fridge organization, and right now every time like when we buy things that are already in pre-packaged plastic bags and stuff, like, you know, fruits and all of that. We just throw them in the fridge, and I think it's messy. So we tend to buy, like, the refrigerated fruits that we buy are mostly like grapes, pineapples, and the melons. So I bought these so that when we buy them from the supermarket, we can wash them, like wash the grapes and put them in these containers and then put them in the fridge. I feel as if it will look way cuter and more organized. And I bought this little milk picture. It says milk foaming cup, so you can like steam your milk to do like coffee art and stuff like that. But I picked it up for just regular condensed milk, just to store in the fridge, because that's the thing about containers. You do not have to use them for what it is advertised to be used for. I really wanted something with a picture here so I could pour condensed milk into whatever I am doing, and this just seemed like, you know, it made the cut. So I bought it to keep that, because when you open a can of condensed milk, you don't use it all unless you're making porridge or something like that. So having it in the fridge will help me to, you know, store it. And then the last thing I got was another plastic container. This one is to keep like tomatoes in. So right now in the fridge, and maybe I'll walk you through a fridge tour in one of these day in the life vlogs one day, but I'm trying to organize the fridge in terms of vegetables and all that stuff, cabbage, carrots, onions, all of that. I'm trying to like kind of contain them so the fridge does not get super messy. So these containers are what I'm using, regular plastic containers from the dollar store. No need to buy anything expensive, because what's the sense? It's just going in the fridge to hold stuff. I am not trying to be expensive and cute. So that is all that I picked up. The bag is empty. And yeah, that's all that I picked up from Daiso. The last thing that I want to show you guys before I close out the vlog is actually washing my makeup sponge. The Daiso has this makeup sponge cleaner, and when I saw it the first time, I was skeptical about it, because I'm like, there's no way they have what it takes to like take makeup out of your makeup sponges, until I tried it, and oh my god, it worked magic. So I wanted to show you guys on camera how magical this stuff is. So I'm going to hop into the bathroom and wash my makeup sponges. They really need cleaning anyway, with the thing from Daiso, so you guys can see the magic. So I got my makeup sponges right here, guys, and they're like really dirty if you cannot tell. And this is the what I got in Daiso to wash them in. This is what it looks like, and the instruction says puff sponge detergent. It says put a suitable amount onto a dry sponge, rub it in with fingers to clean, and then rinse with water. Rinse well with running water. Repeating themselves. So I'm going to show you this magic right now. Alright, so we have our dirty sponge, as you can see, very dirty. I'm going to tip some of this thing on it. It says to put it on a dry sponge, rub it in with your fingers, and then rinse. All clean, or somewhat clean, but still clean. I really need to wash my sponges more often. Okay, you guys, so that is where I'm going to be closing out the video today the only thing that I have left to get done is to just upload the video to YouTube and then eat dinner, and then I will be relaxing in my bed watching something on Netflix. So I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me today. If you like this video, of course, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys.